Guess where I am? This is neither a yurt nor a stadium. It is the world's first large-scale, air-supported membrane vertical farm. Can you believe it? This vertical farm, covering only 1/15 of a football field, yields about 10 tons of strawberries every year, with an output over 10 times that of traditional farming. What does it look like inside? Come along with me to explore it together. Wow! Isn't the interior incredibly spacious? Every crop grown here is white strawberry. We have 3 to 7 layers of planting racks, which greatly boosts land utilization efficiency to grow fresh fruits and vegetables all year round. We adopt precise environmental control technology to recreate the most suitable growing conditions for crops through science and technology. The temperature here stays steadily between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius. There is no boundaries of seasons, no limits of geography. No floods, droughts, or typhoons, only harvests that accompany you every day. When it comes to farming, more technology means less hard work. We provide complete hardware and software support to meet the standards of zero pesticide residues, zero hormones, and zero heavy metal residues. We maintain a 300,000 grade clean space around the clock, with an enclosed environment, grow purified water, and soilless cultivation. We eliminate pests and diseases at the source. You have nothing to worry about here. We safeguard your food safety.